Hey, what's up? It's Domi. Welcome back. So today we are pre-planning the week of, what week is it? January 20th through the 26th. And I am pre-planning in my B6 this week. And I am using the Cozy Kit by StickyEssentials, which is super, super cute. It has a cat in it, so you guys know that I had to scoop this kit up. But yeah, I love the color scheme. This color in particular is fire. And then for this kit, I think silver foil would be super pretty. So I'm gonna go in with the Planning Roses date dots, some overlay tapes from StickyEssentials, and then these snowflake headers from the Sticky Committee. So that is everything that I'm going to be using for the base. Oh my god, I did my nails at work today and I haven't had long nails in a while, and I just Soda Pop, what the heck? I have no idea what Soda Pop is doing. Sorry if you can hear her. No, so I did my nails at work today, and I have not had long nails in forever, and I just do not know how to function right now. So yeah, it is Monday night as I am filming this. I don't really have too much planned for this week. I just had my 3-day weekend, which means that I am working every day but Saturday this week. So it's pretty much just gonna be work and YouTube for me this week. Yeah, so I just rewatched the Cheer finale, so I am an emotional disaster right now. And then also All Time Low just released a new song for the first time in like 2 or 3 years, and it's so good. It is a true return to form for them, and I'm so excited for them. It's such a good song. I've already listened to it about 27 times on repeat. Oh, it's so good. It's called Some Kind of Disaster. 10 out of 10, would recommend if you like All Time Low. But yeah, so that combined with rewatching the Cheer finale, I just am really not okay right now. Let me know if you guys have watched Cheer. If you don't know, I mean, it's super popular on Netflix right now, but it follows a competitive collegiate cheer team as they pursue their 14th national title. Even if you don't like cheer, I highly recommend watching the documentary. It is so beautiful, so poignant. Like, I just cannot describe how freaking incredible this docuseries is. It's like, these kids are so ridiculously talented. The whole thing was just a roller coaster of emotion from start to finish, and I'm really not okay. Like, I ugly cried the entire series starting 5 minutes in. And I would die for Morgan, I would die for Jerry, I would pretty much die for any of them. I need Jerry to Matt talk me through life. He is such a bright, positive, inspiring person, and we need more Jerrys in the world. If you have watched Cheer, you know why I'm having a breakdown about rewatching the finale. Just watching Ladarius's brother watch them at Daytona and watching him cry. And then the ocean scene. Oh my God. It's just, it is a roller coaster of emotion from start to finish. Highly recommend. And then I'm also watching season 2 of Sex Education right now. That's another one that I highly recommend. It's not a super appropriate show, but I do think that it is by far one of Netflix's best originals. So I definitely recommend that one as well. So really the only other thing that I watched lately other than Cheer and Sex Education is The Circle. I am way too invested in The Circle. If you like Big Brother, you have to watch The Circle, point blank, period. It does take an episode or two to find its footing while it's establishing the format and everything, but it's so worth the watch. These people are just so pure, and I would die for Shuby, I would die for Joey, I would die for Chris. I just love this cast so much. Whoever is responsible for casting this show needs to cast Big Brother 22. Sorry, but this cast is everything that we have been begging for in a Big Brother cast for years. So I really hope that Robin Cass, who casts Big Brother, takes note of this. I just really hope that we get a similar cast for Big Brother 22. I doubt it will happen just because Robin Cast is very set in her ways, but we can dream. Look, all we want is some diversity on Big Brother. It's not that hard. It's really not that hard. Like, take a look at Big Brother Canada as well. Like, it's so diverse. I love Big Brother. I will watch that till the day I die. But Robin Cass is just so out of touch with what the people want to see on Big Brother. So anyway, sorry for that tangent that nobody asked for. But again, if you like Big Brother, highly recommend The Circle. So that is it for the base of my spread. There's a little bit of a wiggle. I think it's super cute. So for this week, I've been doing this whole thing lately with the flags and some flag overlays and like work scripts to mark work, but the kit only comes with 4 flags and I need 6 this week. So I'm just going to be using hexagons. So you guys already know that the first thing I did today was grab Starbucks. So I'm going to go in with a quarter box and then one of these coffee doodles from Planning Roses, and then a Starbucks script from StickyEssentials. And then I also did my nails at work. So I'm gonna go in with one of these labels, and let's see here. I don't really have like any nail stickers, so I'm just gonna go in with a circle icon from the kit. I think, yeah, I think I'm gonna do this bow. So I'm gonna use that quarter box to mark All Time Low releasing their single. And I'm gonna use this label to mark that I am filming. Okay, so what did I say? This was for filming, so let me grab my filming scripts. This is from Kinzi's Creations. And then I'm going to use this Polaroid that is a piece of deco from the kit just to mark filming. And then for all-time low, I am going to use this Fangirl from Whimsical Cat. Use an In My Feelings script from SPC just since I am being super emo tonight. So that is going to wrap up today. Okay, so I'm gonna edit this tomorrow. And let me grab a computer icon and then my edit script, which I obviously lost in the span of 3 seconds. So yeah, let's go in with this blue. I love this blue so much. Oh, it's so, so pretty. Okay, so we're gonna do that and then an edit script from Kinzi's Creations, of course. And then a little laptop doodle from Planning Roses. Oh, Schitt's Creek is on tomorrow. I'm just not emotionally ready at all for Schitt's Creek to be over. Like, when I say I'm not okay, like, I'm not okay. That show has gotten me through the hardest moments of my life. I just love it so much. David and Patrick, my OTP, I would die for them. Okay, I need to stop saying I would die for people in this video. I'm out of control. I apologize. So I'm going to use that half box and then a hexagon. Cool, so that's that. And then, I need to run to PetSmart tomorrow too because Little Soda Pop only has 2 more servings of food left, so definitely need to go get her some more. And I'm just going to use a quarter box for that. I'm going to use this little cat deco from the kit, and that is going to wrap up everything that I have planned for tomorrow. And then Wednesday I'm going to upload this plan with me, so I'm going to use another quarter box and an upload script again from Kinzi's Creations. And let's see, I think I'm going to use this YouTube play button from Artbox Stickers. And yeah, I think that's everything that I have pre-planned for Wednesday. Okay, so my camera overheated, and while it was cooling down, I realized that I didn't like that this box was lower than these two, so I just bumped these 2 boxes up and then just popped a little divider down there. And then I also remembered that I have a meeting on Wednesday and I just don't want to deal with it, so I think I blocked it out of my mind. Just don't want to deal with this meeting at all. I don't like the person who it's with, and it's going to be a one-on-one meeting, so it's just going to be like extra awkward. So yeah, I'm just marking that with a half box and another hexagon, and I think I'm going to use this @ sign. And then I'm gonna go in with a meeting script from Kinzi's Creations. I think that's super cute. Okay, So, moving on to Thursday, I don't really have anything planned, except I think that I'm going to rent a couple Redbox movies and just have like a movie marathon. So I'm going to use the movie marquee. I'm just gonna pop that down there. And then Friday, I have like nothing planned at all. And then the only other thing that I have planned is going to the casino on Saturday. I'm not really a gambling kind of girl, but my best friend Michelle texted me that she and her family will be in Columbus on Saturday and invited me to go to dinner and the casino with them, and I had nothing else to do and it was my off day, so yeah, now I'm going to the casino on Saturday. I'll let you guys know how that goes. So I'm just gonna mark that with a label, and then I have these little cards from Illogical Discourse. So this is the final spread, and now that I'm looking at it, I did go very hexagon heavy, but you know, whatever. So yeah, this is the spread. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you would like to see the final spread all filled out, that will be on my Instagram, which will be linked down below, and I'll have all the shops tagged on my Instagram as well. But yeah, thanks for hanging out today. I hope I catch you next time. Later days.